Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best makeup brush cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the EcoTools Makeup Brush and Sponge Cleanser. The EcoTools Brush and Sponge Cleaner is designed to thoroughly remove makeup, oils, and dirt from your brushes and sponges, leaving them fresh and ready for flawless application. Its gentle, sulfate-free formula uses plant-based ingredients to break down buildup without harsh chemicals, making it safe for daily use on all skin types. You can use it on both synthetic and natural bristles as well as beauty sponges, which helps keep your tools in great condition and extends their life. Plus, it's fragrance-free and vegan, perfect for those with sensitive skin or anyone following a clean beauty routine. Moving on at number 4, we have the Premium Electric Makeup Brush Cleaner and Dryer. The Rigorous Premium Makeup Brush Cleaner and Dryer is an automatic 2-in-1 tool that perfectly cleans and dries all sizes of brushes within a minute. The kit includes 8 collars made of premium materials for long-lasting service, precision, and safety. The electric switch is ergonomic and easy to operate. The bowl is made of hygienic plastic and is drop-safe. The automatic makeup brush cleaner saves time and frees your hands. This product is perfect for makeup enthusiasts and makes a great gift. At number 3, we have the e.l.f. Makeup Brush Shampoo. E.l.f. Makeup Brush Shampoo is a daily use product that effectively washes away dirt, makeup, oil, and debris from your brushes, ensuring a flawless application every time. It also conditions the brush hair, leaving it clean and soft for a smooth and comfortable application. Made from skin-loving ingredients, this vegan and cruelty-free shampoo is perfect for those who care about the products they use. With e.l.f. Makeup Brush Shampoo, you can easily clean your brushes and maintain their quality, while enjoying the convenience of a gentle and effective formula. Beauty should be accessible to all, and e.l.f. Cosmetics delivers professional quality products at affordable prices. At number 2, we have the EcoTools XL Makeup Brush Plus Sponge Shampoo. The EcoTools Brush and Sponge Shampoo is designed to thoroughly clean your makeup brushes and sponges, removing makeup, oils, and dirt to keep them in great shape for flawless application. This large, eco-friendly cleanser is free from harsh chemicals like parabens, phthalates, sulfates, and petroleum, making it safe for sensitive skin. Using it is simple. Just wet your brushes, apply a small amount of shampoo, gently lather, and rinse until clean. Regular weekly use helps extend the life of your tools, prevents shedding, and keeps them looking fresh and new, ensuring your makeup routine stays hygienic and effective. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cbsrvmlp Electric Makeup Brush Cleaner. The Cbsrvmlp Brush Cleaner offers a fast and efficient way to keep your makeup brushes spotless. With a powerful 8,000 RPM speed, it thoroughly removes leftover makeup, helping protect your skin from bacteria and irritation. The device is designed for easy use with a one-touch system, saving you time while cleaning. It includes both automatic and semi-automatic modes, so you can quickly clean regular brushes or gently handle larger ones. Just remember to use your own brush cleaner liquid, as the device doesn't come with any solution included. This tool makes regular brush care simple and helps extend the life of your favorite brushes. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.